This is a duck. This is only duck. Hi there, this is Brother Birdman. Sorry about the light. I'm making a video about a Senville heat pump. I installed this unit 1 year ago. So this is like 1 year later, part one. And I want to mention how important it is to maintain the unit, the inside filter. And if you have questions on how to install the Freon lines, the water drain pipe and all that, I made videos on those as well. But this is the inside filter, but this is just like a generic filter that comes with the unit. But I also used 2 layers of this old filter here. And I have a new filter that just came in the mail. And I bought it in quantity. I bought it in bulk, so I was able to cut the filter 4 feet. So I cut this, and oh well. So that's what it looks like. That's the back part, and this is the part where the air goes in, the white. And my camera's goofy, but it's very important to take the filter out and maintain. Now, this had dust caked on it pretty well. The airflow was kind of limited, so I took a vacuum cleaner and cleaned it. So I'm trying to make these videos a little bit shorter so I don't lose people. So basically, this is what the furnace looks like. And having the cassette, let me try and back down. I was spoiled on my Samsung camera, but I'm using LG, but this is what it looks like. And it's hung, it's well hung, very well hung on some heavy duty brackets. And then I've got the electrical, and then the Freon lines going to the outside unit. And it's very important to maintain and clean. So there you have it. Brother Berman here at KFUI Global Radio. Sorry about the light. Gee, that was weird. Okay, so I'm an amateur, and sometimes I do not know what the heck I'm doing. So I make these videos to show my mistakes as well as my successes with using the existing ductwork when installing a Senville heat pump that has a built-in blower. These are very good units. Oh, the plus side is last year when it was 114 degrees every day, it costed the monthly cost was $37 a month to cool 1,600 square feet, including the basement. So yes, these are very efficient. Thanks for tuning in. Dun, 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 dun.